Get ready for an exciting adventure with Austin, a little boy who discovers the amazing sounds that animals make. Join him on a journey that will inspire your child's curiosity and wonder about God's unique creations. In this heartwarming children's book written by Mullens, your child will explore the fascinating world of animals and learn how each creature is different in their own special way. So, come and join Austin on this adventure and discover the wonders of God's creations. With beautiful illustrations and a captivating storyline, this book is sure to be a hit with children of all ages. Get your copy of The Sounds of the Animals by Mullens today.